Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to another cook with me. I don't know if I should make this into a series, cook with me, or I should just like freestyle it, since I'm not really a chef, so I just cook what I eat, what is edible and tasty. Most of my food is actually tasty, I won't lie. My last cook with me was I made fried rice and I enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed it a little bit too much. So I'm back with another cook with me vlog. Today I'll be making ukwa, breadfruit. I'm sure a lot of you know what ukwa is. Well, maybe not all of you, but the Igbo people in my channel who are watching this video know what ukwa is. It's also called African breadfruit. I hope I'm correct. Yeah, definitely. It's called African breadfruits, and it's like one of the elite Igbo food you can think of. Like, it's really expensive, and I don't know, it's not just about its price. Like, the whole process of making okwa, the processing it, like I've processed okwa before and it's not even funny. Like, I'm not even going to lie, it takes a lot of time to process, peeling out the back, washing it and all of that. So I guess that's why during ceremonies in Igbo land, it's usually reserved for the elite. So we're going to be making that today. And actually okwa is very easy to prepare. Like, it doesn't require much ingredients and all of that. So let's get into the video. By the way, you guys, take a minute to admire my hair. This is a cook with me featuring my mini twists. By the way, I put them into a braid, not exactly a braid, but like cornrows, to get this super coily effect on them. I took the cornrows out today and I got this. So this is the breadfruit that I got from the market. Okwa. Why am I saying breadfruit when I'm an Igbo man? This is the okwa I got. By the way, okwa is really expensive. Like, I think I got this for 9,000 and it's about 7 cups. I think the woman sold it to me at 1,000 something. It's really expensive, I must say, because I didn't expect it to be this expensive. This is fresh okwa, not those dried up ones, so I don't really need to put akao or boil it for a long time. This is going to cook faster. I'm going to be boiling egg for this because I don't have any protein, like some people call it, for this okwa. So I'm going to boil eggs, and I'm boiling 3. This is 10 minutes after 5 p.m. So I'm going to leave that to boil. I hope that gets done by the next 30 minutes. So by 5:40 I should start putting all the other ingredients. And by the way, I also got fish. I got fish, dried fish actually, for this. So I'm going to prepare the ingredients for this okwa, and like I said, it doesn't really require much, basically. Is it too much? Nope, not too much. I'm removing the head of the fish because I'm not going to eat it anyways. I don't really like leaving the fish head in my food, whether soup or any other type of food, because I don't know, I end up not eating. I'm taking it all out, and I'm taking my time to debone this fish because the bone is not exactly soft. Like, it's hard. It's not chewable. It's not those type of bone that you can chew. I'm taking my time to remove them. as I'm saying, the bone is strong. Like if you swallow this one mistakenly, you're just going to choke on it. So like I said, you don't really need much to make ukwa. This is the only ingredients I'm going to be using. This crayfish, this is stock. I'm using royco for this, and 3 of it. This is my dried fish, this pepper, and some good oil. The main things you need for this food basically is the ukwa. The ukwa is what gives the food the taste. It's the ukwa taste you're looking for, not any other. All these ones are basically like to spice it up a little bit, to give taste to the ukwa here, to give taste to the ukwa. So while we're waiting for this to boil, I've already added salt to the ukwa so that it will cook faster. I guess it will increase the boiling pressure, right? It's been so long I did physics, so yeah. Finally, this ukwa finally softened after like 1 hour. Yeah, so much for 30 minutes. So it's better if you want to cook your ukwa to get account, or you have to soak it in water for some time so that you don't spend as much time cooking the ukwa itself. So I'm going to start adding my ingredients now. I'm adding more water, but I like my ukwa having a lot of porridge in it, so this should do. But if you don't like the ukwa having a lot of porridge, you can just let the water dry up before you bring it down. This is what we're gonna have. More water, more water, more water. Alright guys, I'm finally done, and this is my ukwa. Yum. Let's taste it. It's still a bit hot, so very nice. Well, you can never ever go wrong with ukwa. When in doubt, cook ukwa. Like, for real, no joke, you can never go wrong with ukwa. The bad thing about me making ukwa is that whenever I make ukwa, I'm always going to be going to the pot and be taking small portion until that ukwa finish. Like, I will not let the ukwa rest. So this ukwa likely is going to finish tomorrow or next, depending. So good. So yeah guys, you already know what to do. Like this video if you liked my recipe, and comment, let me know how you prepare your own ukwa, and share. What else? This ukwa is really making me lose my thoughts. Anyway, yeah, you guys, make sure to like this video, comment, ask me any questions you have about my recipe, although I feel it's very simple and like straightforward. share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video.